on. Okay, go. Go.
Oh, I go. Hello. Welcome to Lynn's channel.
Lynn.
Here we are. We're at Madden Falls, Darks Forest, and we're at the little water reservoir before we go down to the waterfalls. So we're going to go for a little walk now, and then we'll show you the falls on the way.
Okay.
Hopefully not fall.
Slippery there.
Okay.
Hello guys. We just arrived here. We've been here last week, but I didn't film it really good, so
Because someone had a flat battery.
this time I make sure my battery is is on. So we're walking to go to the big waterfalls, the dark forest, Helensburgh.
And here's Lynn with her Australian bushwalking outfit, which is thongs and a costume just in case we can swim,
Yeah,
which we can.
it's a bit cooler today, guys, than the day we're here last week. So let's go to our little adventure
Not far.
with this white guy. Hello, white guy.
Hello.
You wanna do it koala style, kangaroo style?
Anong
And-
pangalan mo?
Oh, what else you know?
Wala.
Tanga.
Well,
Anong pangalan mo?
anong pangalan mo?
Lynn Evans, Oz Down Under. Subscribe, please. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please like, share, watch, and subscribe. Thank you. Saan ka nakatira? Saan ka nakatira?
Where are we?
Where you live, tanga. You just learned it this morning. Saan ka nakatira? Ang pangit.
In the mountains of the Philippines.
Bobo. You didn't remember it already. Saan ka nakatira, Pogi?
Well, the other ones.
Wa-
No.
Ano pangalan mo?
The other one. Go right down already a few times.
What's your step, boy? Quick, quick. Hurry up walking
Or like
so we get there.
when you ask me after. I just got to use my old.
This
line.
is the walkway to get in the pool, guys. So you don't have to walk in the bushy grass. But this is the view. Oh, already catching my breath.
You can hear the waterfall.
Yeah. I think it's rained last night, so there will be lots of water. As you can see, guys, it's a bit wet in the pathway.
Right.
Water
It's only
in
about
there.
a minute from here. You can hear it.
Yeah. I can hear it now.
We'll film it from the right and then we'll walk across.
Okay, quick. Quick. My camera's getting excited. There's nobody's here yet.
That's the track to go across. But
Yeah,
you
that's
look down
right.
there and
But the view here is
have a look
nice,
there and then I'll
guys.
help you down here.
Okay. It's the view from here, guys. There's a lookout here. And you can just... There it is. It's the view there. Then we can go in this side so we can have a view down there. Have a look. It's carrying me. Okay. This is our second time being here, guys. That's it.
Ta-da!
Yeah, ta-da!
And that's where we're going to go down to that ledge.
We're going down there, guys. It's a bit slippery to walk in the top there, but
You can probably go down that edge and slide across.
yeah, I saw the guys there walk down. There's a 2 poles there, guys.
So,
3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look like 4. And it goes all the way down there. Okay,
okay, we'll head up.
let's go in the other side. Huh?
Looks like track down there, but we'll go the way we went the last time.
Yeah. It's a bit hard there. It's a rocky. More easier to go this way
This is your big challenge.
to get up.
You're right.
Shit.
Rip your arm out of your socket. Lynn's gone Gargi car. She's gone the wrong way.
Oh, wrong way, is
Oh,
it?
no, you're going the right way. I'm going Gargi car.
I saw the truck in here. Okay, go. Silly boy.
I thought the truck was down here. Yeah,
Okay, I'm alright. Yeah, it's not that deep. Yeah.
That's on the knee.
And this is at the top of the poles, guys. I show you this side. It's a big rock here. You can stand up. There. There it is. Say hello. Don't jump. It's a bit deep down there. And it's rocky. Okay, you watch your step there, boys. Slippery. Let's go in the other side, guys.
We'll hold that while you walk.
Yeah,
So you don't-
okay. You do it.
Because I don't mind my feet. I've got better traction. And we've got to get a little bit wet.
Slippery here, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Just looking down.
Yeah. Okay, take me here. Move in there. Yay! On top of the waterfall. Okay, guys.
Heading down?
Huh? We're going down there.
Yeah.
But
Oh, you're going to...
I show you in my next video.
Okay.
I hope you like this
Part 2.
part 2. See you later, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hello, monkey. Welcome back to my channel, guys. We're here down the bottom of the poles now. We're walking down now from this rocky. Mabuti po. Rocky and tree gap here.
Welcome to my home.
Monkey home. Ayan. Okay. You just have to watch your step here, guys, because it's really rocky and going down. Down, down, down.
Go round.
That's what I said. Oh, nice view. There's a people up there now, guys. Oh, behind this tree. Oh, we arrived. There you go, guys. We're here down the bottom of the falls. Not really down the bottom, but there's still you can still go down there and walk in that big rock. But that's it. Beautiful view. Let me hang this bag. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Can you do the monkey dance? Okay, we put this down. And we,
Are you going to go under?
huh?
You going to go under?
We'll see. I just think if you can see us, guys.
Do a quick wipe down at the camera. Quick wipe down. So how was that, bub? Okay, I'm going to say bye on this one. Bye-bye. We're watching this. Picture. Okay, say bye, Manol. You don't want to go under there because you might go down there. You just gotta.
Yeah, give it to me. Be careful. Yeah, you go there.
Too slippery.
Huh?
You gotta go all the way up here like this. Oh no. Oh.
No, back.
And I can film out. Be careful, bub, it's slippery. Yeah. There you go, Bob. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
We're wet now.
Okay. Now we've got to get out.
You go first.
I'm going to go out.
Yeah. And then you kill me here.
I'm going to hang on to this. That's it. Okay, back to terra firma. Oh. Do a quick wipe down of the camera. Quick wipe down. So how was that, bub?
Nice and wet. It's cold.
Okay, I'm going to say bye on this one. Say bye-bye.